albatross. A albatross. A albatross. A is for albatross. Albatross glides above the sea. B is for bluebird. B bluebird. B bluebird. B is for bluebird. Bluebird sings in a happy tree. C is for canary. C canary. C canary. C is for canary. Canary chirps so sweet and bright. D is for dove. D dove. D dove. D is for dove. Dove flies gently in the light. E is for eagle. 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 E is for eagle. Eagle soars high in the sky. F is for finch. F finch. F finch. F is for finch. Finch hops by with a cheerful cry. G is for goldfinch. Goldfinch. G goldfinch. G is for goldfinch. Goldfinch shines with feathers gold. H is for heron. H heron. H heron. H is for heron. Heron stands by water's cold. I is for ibis. 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 I is for ibis. Ibis walks where rivers flow. J is for jay. J is for jay. Jay flutters through the woods below. T is for kingfisher. K kingfisher. K kingfisher. K is for kingfisher. Kingfisher dives so quick and neat. L is for lark. L lark. L lark. L is for lark. Lark sings songs so clear and sweet. M is for macaw. M macaw. M macaw. M is for macaw. Macaw shows colors bold and bright. N is for nightingale. N nightingale. N nightingale. M is for nightingale. A nightingale sings through the night. O is for owl. Owl. O is for owl. Owl watches quietly in the trees. Q is for quaillet. 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 Q is for quaillet. Florida chats in the gentle breeze. Q is for quail. Q quail. Q quail. Q is for quail. Quail scurry softly on the ground. R is for robin. 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 R is for robin. Robin sings a joyful sound. S is for sparrow. 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 S is for sparrow. Sparrow flutters here and there. T is for toucan. 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 T is for toucan. Toucan shows its colorful flair. U is for umbrella bird. Umbrella bird. Umbrella bird. U is for umbrella bird. Umbrella bird calls from the trees. V is for vulture. Vulture. V vulture. V is for vulture. Vulture glides with ease and grace. W is for woodpecker. W woodpecker. W woodpecker. W is for woodpecker. Woodpecker taps its special place. X is for xenops. X xenops. X xenops. X is for xenops. Xenops climbs branches every day. Y is for yellowhammer. Yellowhammer. Y yellowhammer. Y is for yellowhammer. Yellowhammer sings along the way. Z is for zebrafinch. 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 She is for zebrafinch. Zebrafinch ends our bird song today. A is for ant. 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 A is for ant. B is for bunny. 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 B is for bunny. C is for cat. Cat. C cat. C is for cat. D is for duck. Duck. D duck. D is for duck. E is for elephant. 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 E is for elephant. F is for fox. 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 F is for fox. G is for giraffe. 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 G is for giraffe. H is for horse. Horse. H
zebra.